viewers, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix blinking lights on Smeg Lavazza coffee machine. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the fast blinking white lights typically means that the capsule drawer is full. So you want to go ahead and open the drawer, remove any used or stock capsules to resolve this issue. Next is you want to check the water tanks. So if you're noticing water leakage at the back of the machine, ensure that the water tank is properly inserted. So if it's separated from the machine, check for any leaks in the tank. Next is you want to inspect the capsule drawer. Now for water leakages, so in this case, if you're seeing water leakages at the front of the machine, check if the capsule drawer is properly inserted, and if it's full, also make sure the capsules you are using are compatible with the machine, as this can cause the issue itself. Next is you want to remove stock capsules. Now, if the capsule is stuck in the machine and doesn't fall out, disconnect the machine from the power supply, then manually remove the stock capsule from the duct to clear the blockage. And finally, you might want to adjust the loading lever. Now, if the loading lever is difficult to close, it could indicate the issue with the capsule drawer. Empty the capsule drawer here and try adjusting the lever. Now, if it still doesn't close properly, try lifting and lowering the lever. Now, in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.